Hi everyone, this is Kamel. With a faster growing of short-form videos, recording and sharing recipe videos becoming easier than ever. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna share some small tricks to give your recipe video a more tasty and professional looking. If you haven't installed VideoProc Vlogger, simply click on the download button below this video to download and install this powerful video editor for free. Okay, let's start this tutorial. A good structure can save us much effort in making a killer recipe video. For example, usually we can put everything in a recipe video into 3 parts. Prepare all the ingredients. Start the cooking process. Show the finished dishes. Let's get the tutorial started by preparing all the needed ingredients. In this process, we can show some close-ups of the ingredients, or the scene that includes all ingredients we need for this recipe. Then we tag the ingredients, just like this. We are doing this for making the recipe video feel more fun and professional, as well as help the audience quickly get to know what ingredients they need. We just need to click on here to add a text clip. Then we go to the inspector panel to adjust the content, font, size, and other properties for the text clip. After that, like this, we make these text clips appear one by one at a certain rhythm. Surely, we can align the text to make the recipe video look more orderly. Usually, we need to show the scene we handle the ingredients. For getting a more stable look, we can fix the camera in a certain place or use a tabletop tripod. In addition, if we want a recipe video to feel more powerful, we can select the footage that we want to make the edits. Hit this button to enter the Speed Editor panel. Herein, we can slow down the video or add other speed changing effects. Just like this. Surely, we can also show the moments we sprinkle dressing over the food. That's how we bring soba to the recipe. They are our B-roll. If you want to know more knowledge about B-roll, click on the link on the top right to watch our tutorial about B-roll. Hopefully, they can give you some hints. After all these cooking steps, it's time to show the finished dishes. At this time, we can add some camera movements, just like this, to make the final work looks better. If the video shot by the handheld camera looks shaky, we can try out using a stabilizer or rotating the container that holds the dishes. Apart from that, we can show the last step we plate the food. Here's the example. We plate the dishes with a tone. This can make the final work look more engaging and delicious. But don't forget one of the most important steps. Add some color grading to make the dishes look more fresh and tasty. Last, we can add a clip that shows we're sharing the food with our friends. That can add more life to our video. That's all for today's tutorial. I believe you've mastered how to make a tasty cooking video with VideoProc Vlogger. Don't forget to download the VideoProc Vlogger and try these tricks in your next creation. If you want to know more editing tricks or the latest news about VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe. See you in our next editing tutorial. Hope you enjoy. Bye!